Guys, today I'm going to make onion chutney and it can be had with dosa and idli. So let's check out the video. So in a pan on medium flame, I'm going to add in some oil. Now I'm going to add in roughly chopped onions, adding in some salt. Fry till the onions have browned a bit. Once they are, I'm going to add in broken dry red chilies, a small chunk of tamarind. All the measurements are in the description box, please check it out. Fry it for about 2 minutes. Turn off the flame and allow to cool down completely. Once it is cooled down, add this mixture into the blending jar. No need to add water. And blend this into a fine paste. You can feel a bit of chunks in the mixture after it's done because we haven't added water and it is perfectly fine. So this is how consistency should look like. Now in a tadka pan on low to medium flame, I'm adding in some oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding in mustard seeds and few curry leaves. So saute for a minute, turn off the flame and add it directly into this blended paste. Mix in well and your onion chutney is ready. So you can have this with dosa and idli and it is yummy, super tasty. Go try out this recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.